Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Platinum in magnetic with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3-liter V6 engine and it's diesel. It's also a 4x4, has a trailer tow package, and it also has a technology package which includes active park assist. This vehicle has also been leveled, has a tonneau cover, and has BF Goodrich tires. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also power folding mirrors and memory for 3 drivers located there. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar and also has massaging seats. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in, and power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control with adaptive cruise control, media control with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On the dash, any important messages will appear. As well, you have a menu you can toggle through. So we're going to go from left to right, my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center there's a little cubby up above, as well as the B&O premium audio badging. You have your traction control, hazard lights, and there's your 360 view camera. And you just push as you go through it. You'll also see the camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse, and auto stop start for less idle time. Your sources, again, you can just touch on the screen: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, Bluetooth, and there's your navigation. As well, you can go into your settings, slide through for things like Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and then your multi-contour seats. This is where you get your massage feature. Quite nice, very comfortable. You may never want to leave this truck. There's your volume and tuner, and there's your CD player, and down below is dual climate control for both driver and passenger, and you're seeing heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger, AC, max AC, front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4, Pro trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and in the cubby you're seeing a couple of USB outlets. You want to close that up, just press in the center, and then you have an automatic select shifter. There's their drive mode. When you press on it on your dash, you'll see normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And then as well, you're seeing your lane keeping as well as your park assist. Couple of cup holders, and you've got your ambient lighting. Those are the rings on the bottom. Your armrest opens up. There's a nice little bin in there. You can take that out. Lots of storage down below, as well as a 12 volt. And then off to the side, you have a 12 volt and a 110. Locking glove compartment. Up above, an auto dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the back, and that's the button for that. Universal garage door opener. And then when you want some fresh air, just simply push the button for your dual panel moonroof and they'll slide right open. 20-inch wheels, power deployed running boards, chrome door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the key is in close proximity you can lock and unlock the doors, keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have your backup camera just below that, and you've got that nice platinum badge across the back. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. There's also a tonneau cover. And when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you just double click your fob and it powers it down for you. Inside it's nicely lined, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And you also have a tailgate step, making it easier to get in. And on your fob you have remote start. A speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it down, simply pull the clip. And you've got anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you're seeing that nice insert in the leather. In the center there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and on the floor an all-weather mat that runs from one end to the other. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage, and in the center a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets, air vents, and the buttons to control the heated seats back here. There's a grab handle in the body, lights and hooks up above, as well as that panoramic view, and in the back access to a power sliding window. Body colored bumper, 5.5-foot box, tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.